so it is time for another Spooky Box Club unboxing. It feels like quite a while since we've done one, which might make sense because 2 have actually turned up at once. So I'm assuming maybe like 1 was delayed or something, so it all checks out. I actually don't know which order these are supposed to go in, so I just grabbed one at random. So today we are doing the Coven unboxing, and I will be doing the other one quite shortly. So there'll probably be 2 spooky boxes this month, or somewhat close together, just so that we don't get behind schedule again. But yes, so this is the Coven box and I'm quite excited. So let's just go ahead and open it. Ooh, what's this? No, cats, witches, little witches and little cats. That's cute. Okay, so let's see. So it doesn't look like there's a ton in here, so let's see what we do have. So we have our lollipop right here. Very cute. It's a little like pink one. This is what is in here, so let me put that to the side. Yeah, I mean, there must be some stuff under this tissue paper because otherwise it looks like there's like one thing. Let's see what's in here first. Oh, cute! So it's like a little bowl type thing with like little feet. So it's kind of like quite an open-topped cauldron almost. I'm not sure what this is for. If I had to guess, I would say probably some sort of like incense burning or something. But you could also use it as like a little trinket dish, you know, put your rings or something in there. I'll find out what it's actually for when I read the little thing at the end. But yeah, it's just like this little cute ceramic-y feeling bowl. And you know I love getting cute home decor. Ooh, next up, I've been seeing this around Instagram. This has been spoiled for me, so I knew this was coming at some point. So this is a belt. I can't see anything through that plastic. Okay, hold on. This is a belt, so it's just like a little sort of like elastic belt, but the buckle is very fancy and it says witch on it, and that is so cute. It's like really ornate and pretty, and I guess it's good that it's just like a very sort of plain elasticy type thing, because then you won't even really notice it on a lot of black outfits, so you can just have the buckle. Or I guess if you really wanted, you could probably find a way to put this on another belt, but I am perfectly happy with it on this. So yeah, that is so cute. I wish I hadn't had it spoiled, but still, I'm happy about it. Ooh, next up we have what looks like a necklace. This is pretty, so it looks like it'll be sort of like choker length, and it's kind of like a triple chain with like a nice moon, so yeah, that would definitely work out as like a choker. That's really pretty. I love like the triple chain. It just kind of adds into it. I guess you could also fashion this into like a headpiece if you wanted, but I'm pretty sure it's a choker. And yeah, it's just really cute. I love sort of like, you know, these moon type things, so I'm happy with this. Oh, cute! Ooh. So next up we have our pin, and it's a little cauldron. Look at it. Oh, that's adorable. Going right on the pin board. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Look, it's a patch and it says local witch, and I like that it's all like nature-y and like, you know, flowers and plants. Just reminds me of like, you know, the little sort of witch who lives in a cottage in the neighborhood that people go to for like help with things and like herbal remedies. That's very cute indeed. This is frankincense resin, mystical ceremony resin incense, which makes me think even more that that bowl may be for some sort of burning purposes. Let's have a sniff. I actually have some frankincense upstairs. That's nice. I wouldn't even really know how to describe the smell of frankincense, to be honest, but it is nice. I do like it. Okay, so yeah, that was everything. So quite a small unboxing, but we got some really cute things. By far my favorite is the witch belt buckle. That is just so cute. And the patch. The patch is adorable. So yeah, those are my favorite things. So let me just make sure we got everything. Custom made local witch patch, yes. Custom made witchy buckle belt, yes. Custom made mini cauldron incense burner, yes. Mystical ceremony resin incense, yes. Custom made cauldron enamel pin, Oh, custom made moon boot chain. It's not a choker, it's a boot chain. Oh, that's cool, because I have been tying things around my boots recently to make them cuter, so there you go. But if you wanted to, you could also use it as a choker. And handcrafted gourmet lollipop. Yes, we got everything. How wonderful. Covered in little stars now. So thank you so much for watching. Before I go, let me know what you're doing for Halloween. Do you have any plans? I still don't know, like I haven't a clue what I'm doing for Halloween. I am very, very lost. So maybe I can get some inspiration from you guys. But yeah, let me know. I would love to see what y'all are up to. Before you go, if you could, I would love you so much, if you could check out my Patreon for a moment and see if maybe you want to support on there. We have been having lots of fun. The monthly challenges have started. This was actually part of my look for one of them, so if you want to see what it's all about, then you can join our Patreon and then hop into our Discord and join the challenges, and it's lots of fun. So I'd love to see some more of you there, and we're getting closer to the goal we wanted to reach of 200 people on the Patreon. Once we reach that, I will be doing a brand new transformation video into a look that is very much not my style at all, so I'm excited for that. And we are getting close to that, and also once we reach 200 people, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so you want to get on that. But yes, so check it out, and before you go, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, that's the little thing you always have to say. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, lovelies!